In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Watch to track cards, lists, and boards. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or brushing up your skills, I'll show you exactly how I keep tabs on the right work without getting buried in alerts. In Trello, watching is how you subscribe to updates. When you watch something, Trello sends you notifications whenever there's activity, like new comments, due date changes, checklist progress, or other edits. The key is choosing the scope that matches what you actually need to follow. Let's start with a single task. Open your Trello board and click into the card you want to follow closely. On the right-hand side of the card's menu, click Watch. You'll notice a small eye icon appear on the card. That's your confirmation that you're watching it. From here on out, you'll be notified whenever anything meaningful changes on that card. This is ideal for tasks you own, items you're reviewing, or anything time-sensitive where details matter. If you want to keep an eye on everything within a specific section, watch the list. Find the list in your board, open the action menu in the top right corner, the three dots, and select Watch. Now, you'll get updates for any card that lives in that list, including new cards that get added later. This is great for sprint columns, team queues, or priority buckets where the whole stream of work is relevant to you. When you need full project visibility, watch the entire board. Open the board, look to the right-hand sidebar, click Menu, and select Watch. That's it. You're now tracking activity across the whole workspace. This level makes sense for project leads or anyone who must stay current on everything. Just remember, board watching can generate a lot of notifications, so use it when broad awareness is truly important. A quick recap. Watch a card for a pinpoint focus, a list for a defined slice of the workflow, and the board when you need the complete picture. The small eye icon is your visual cue that watching is enabled. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.